Welcome back to Alltech, where we bring you detailed reviews of the latest tech products. Today we're exploring the Uni USB-C to Ethernet adapter, a sleek and efficient solution for stable wired network connectivity. Let's dive in. Oh, if you want to know the price and more details of this product, you may check the link in the description box below. The Uni USB-C to Ethernet adapter provides ultra-fast, stable connection speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second, ensuring you can handle large downloads, stream in HD, or participate in video calls without interruptions. It's also backward compatible with 100 megabits per second and 10 megabits per second networks, making it versatile for various setups. Designed for seamless plug-and-play functionality, this adapter is perfect for USB-C devices needing reliable network access, especially in areas with inconsistent or extended wireless connectivity. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or streaming, it delivers gigabit speeds without breaking a sweat. Uni has crafted this adapter with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Its compact and lightweight design makes it portable and travel-friendly. The non-slip USB-C connector ensures a snug fit for stable signal transfer, while the braided nylon cable adds durability for long-term use. The aluminum casing not only enhances heat dissipation but also adds a premium feel. Plus, it's thoughtfully designed to avoid blocking adjacent USB-C ports, ensuring maximum usability. The adapter boasts extensive compatibility with a range of devices including the iPhone 15 Pro Max, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPad Pro, XPS laptops, Google Pixelbook, Samsung Galaxy series, and many more. Whether you're using a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, this adapter has you covered. The Uni USB-C to Ethernet adapter is a must-have for anyone seeking fast and stable internet connectivity. Its premium build, wide compatibility, and ease of use make it a standout choice for both professionals and casual users. That's it for today's review on Alltech. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Stay tuned for more tech reviews.